Okay, do you have any problems in your exercise given? Especially question from your module, exercise from question number 1, eh? No problem. Okay, from your modules and question number 1, page 151. Okay, that is the SPM format regarding the preparation of the soluble salts other than absorbed salts. Okay, okay, yang itu tu. Tak ada masalah Okay, Nurul Shifa, how did you find your exercise? Okay or not?
Cikgu.
Nurul Shifa, are you there? Can you hear me? Dia ni tak jelas. Okay, Nurul Shifa, can you hear me?
Dia bagi message kat chat cikgu.
Yeah. Okay. So how about the exercise, Nurul Shifa? Any problem? Do you have problem with your microphone? Okay, if there's no problem regarding the question, we just move to the next steps or next topic, the preparation of the
Cikgu.
insoluble salts. Yes, Ali.
Saya ada satu soalan.
Amin.
Amin. Untuk yang soalan 1A3,
1A3. Okay.
yang tu jawapan dia exothermic ke?
Exothermic. State the type
Reaction dia.
of reaction in the preparation of the salts between copper 2 oxide and sulfuric acid. So copper 2 oxide is a base. Acid with acid. So base and acid producing salts and water. What is type of the reaction take place?
Oh, neutralization je?
Yes. Neutralization reaction.
Maksudnya cikgu, type of reaction dengan proses oksid sama lah.
Dengan apa tadi? Tak berapa jelas. Proses. Proses tu tengok proses apa. Tapi kalau kat sini proses penteran tu ya sama lah. Kadang-kadang proses penteran tu kalau dalam kita menjalankan tindak balas itu dia punya prosesnya. Proses penteran. proses untuk mencampurkan atau itu maksudnya proses untuk menjalani tindak balas kan. Maksudnya. Okay. Memang jenis tindak balas yang berlaku adalah tindak balas penceraian. Okay, jelas.
Jelas cikgu.
Okay, so the other type of the salts is the insoluble salts. Okay. Any student can give me an example of the any insoluble salts. Okay. We have learned it before. Okay, this one. This is the type of the salts based on the solubility of the salts. Okay, all adsorbed salts are soluble, or natural salts are soluble. So give me an example of the insoluble salt. Okay. Apa dia?
Chloride.
Lead to chloride. Okay, lead to chloride. So, okay, that's right. Umaira.
Ya, cikgu.
Any example of the insoluble salts? So, the very easy to remember is for the insoluble salts is all the carbonates. Okay, we know that all the adsorbed salts are soluble. So other than that, so carbonate is all the carbonate salts are insoluble. So give me any example of carbonate.
So, soda bicarbonate.
Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is as one of the adsorbed salts. All the adsorbed salts, ammonium, sodium, and potassium are soluble. All the carbonates are insoluble except the adsorbed salt. Lain lah daripada adsorbed salt tu, yang carbonate. Semuanya tak larut. Contohnya apa?
Magnesium carbonate.
Magnesium carbonate. Okay, Maira. Magnesium carbonate. Lagi. Apa lagi, Arafi? Arafi? What are the insoluble salts? Can you give two names of the salts? Insoluble salts.
Iron carbonate.
Iron carbonate, iron 2 carbonate, iron 3 carbonate. Other than carbonate, other than carbonate.
Barium sulfate.
Barium sulfate. Yes, barium sulfate. Alright, good. Okay, one more. Alia Soleha.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Any insoluble of chloride salt. Insoluble salts from the chloride salts. Can you give it the name?
Silver chloride.
Silver chloride. Yes. So okay. Right. if we want to prepare the insoluble salt, we have to know what this salt is. Okay. Jadi kita kena tahulah apa jenis-jenis yang garam yang tak larut tu. Kalau tak macam ni. Kalau in the question maybe given an example of the salts, and we have to know the types of the salt based on the solubility, right? For example, if given the magnesium nitrate, how to prepare the magnesium nitrate salt in our lab. So if we don't know whether the salt is soluble or not, we cannot determine what is the method should be choose. Should be choice to prepare the salts. Okay, now we want to prepare the insoluble salts. Okay, the type of the reaction is precipitation reactions. From the word precipitate. Okay, the precipitate means the solid mixed with the solution, with solid in the solution from the reaction between the solution. Okay, to prepare the insoluble salt, for example, X cation, okay, and Y and an ion of an insoluble salt, okay, you must have the solutions contents of cation X, and the solution contains the anion Y. Okay, so that we can produce the insoluble salt of X, Y salt. Okay, and the other one, that is the soluble salt or the solution. So if we want to take out the insoluble salt from the mixture, so we just filter the solution. Right? For example, here to prepare the solid lead to sulfate, okay, the solutions can be used is lead to nitrate solution, contains of lead to ion, okay, and potassium sulfate solution contains sulfate ion. Okay, so the solid lead to sulfate will be precipitate, okay, in the reaction with another substance that is potassium nitrate solution. Then we can filter this mixture of the solution. We will find the solid or precipitate of lead to sulfate. Okay, and this is the chemical reaction between the solutions, and this is an ionic equation. Okay, so the ionic equation we have learned in the previous lesson. Okay, we can revise it. For example, here, how we can write the ionic equation. So barium chloride and sodium sulfate to produce barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Okay, barium sulfate is insoluble salts. So actually, the reaction is between the barium ion and sulfate ion. Okay, okay, yang ini kalau kita nak apa ni, okay, kita tengok ion-ion apa yang ada dalam ni. Okay, barium ion, chloride ion, yang ini sodium ion, sulfate ion. Okay, yang ni pun juga kita tengok apa dia, ni barium ion dan sulfate ion. Okay, ini pun sodium ion dan chloride ion. So any ion that are not change, maybe it's physical changes from aqueous to solid, or from aqueous to uh, maybe gas. Okay, you just cancel the ion. So the ion, sodium ion are in the aqueous solution, still in aqueous solution, okay, in aqueous, freely moving ion. So you just cancel the ion. So barium ion and sulfate ion are now conjugated to form the precipitate of barium sulfate. They are not in a freely moving ion anymore. They are they are together to form the precipitate of solid state. Okay, so we take out the barium ion, okay, and apa, sulfate ion. Oh, ini bahasa Melayu. Okay, okay, jadi apa yang kita telah buat kat situ tadi, buang ni. Ni. Okay, yang kat sini tadi ni, ni kat sini Ini barium sulfate. Okay, memang kita tengok di dulu. Okay, kita nak dulu. Okay, what are the ions in barium sulfate? So barium ion and sulfate ion. So we just write down the ion. Okay, barium ion and sulfate ion to produce barium sulfate. Okay, cuma dalam kat sini mesti kita tahulah. Kalau dalam banyak-banyak ni, kalau kita tak tahu yang mana satu sebenarnya garam larut dan tak larut, susah kita. Kan? For example, sodium chloride and barium sulfate. If you don't know which one is the insoluble salts, okay, we cannot measure what ion should be cancelled or cancel out, or we get back the ion. Okay, ion-ion yang kita perlu ambil semula dengan apa yang kita buang, kita tak tahu. Kalau kita tak tahu apa yang sebenarnya garam yang terbentuk tu solid ataupun tidak, kan. Jadi kita kena tahu garam tu. Okay, jadi jangan apa nama, jangan kita lupa. We have to remember all the solubility of the salts. Okay, kat sini terbentuknya sodium chloride. Maksudnya kalau daripada sini macam terbentuk sodium chloride juga. Seolah-olah kita boleh menyediakan garam sodium chloride daripada sini. Tapi tak boleh. Ini kaedahnya tak boleh kita guna. Kita tahu sodium chloride di table L-salt salts. We just use the titration method using the neutralization reaction. To prepare the sodium chloride. Yang ini ni hasil sampingan saja. Okay, hasil sampingan. Okay, kerana apa? Okay, kerana nanti dia tak, kalau kita gunakan barium chloride, katalah kita nak menjadikan sodium chloride ini using this reaction, okay, in this reaction we have to put barium ion and sulfate ion in excess. Okay, in excess. Okay, jadi deuterium chloride dan kat sini mungkin akan nanti contents of the barium ion and sulfate ion yang masih tidak bertindak balas untuk bentuk. Okay, jadi tak sesuai. Jadi kalau kita tengok, boleh menjadikan sodium chloride dari sini, kita nampak je macam boleh, kan. Tapi sebenarnya kaedahnya tak boleh. Yang ini hanya boleh menyediakan garam tak larut, insoluble salt sahaja. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, okay, cuba tengok yang ini. You faham Cuba tengok yang ini. Untuk menyediakan lead to chloride, okay, what are the example of the solution should be mixed in the this reaction. Okay, lead to chloride should be contains the lead to ion, and another solution contains chloride ion. Okay, apa contoh yang dua-dua ni?
Cikgu,
Yeah.
kalau solution tu hydrochloric acid tak apa ke? Sebab dia ada chloride ion juga.
Yes, that's right. Very good. Okay. No wonder any solution you can use. Okay, any solution we can use, since we have the ion or cation or anion to be precipitate in the reaction. Okay. Okay, I mean okay tak?
Okey cikgu.
Okay, tak apa tu. Bagus. Okay, tapi contoh ni cuba contoh.
Lead to nitrate.
Lead to nitrate. Okay, lead to nitrate. And then the other one? Lead to nitrate solution and the
Hydrochloric acid boleh?
hydrochloric acid you can use. Yes, very good.
Maksud dia nanti dia akan hasilkan acid jugalah kan cikgu?
Yes. Kat sini ya. Acid as a solution, right? Cikgu tak bawa pen. Mana nak tulis ni? Okay, nak tulis ni. Okay, semua yang nitrate ni, all the nitrate ni. Okay. Dia macam ni lambat sikit. Okay. Lama ini dah tulis formula. Lead to nitrate kan. Sini patut formula ni. Itulah ni lambat sikit. Okay, dah baca. Itu tadi mana? This one. Dah putih pula. Nak kena adjust. Aduh. Sabarlah. Okay. Okay, sini this is lead to nitrate. Okay. Lead to nitrate solution, jangan lupa solution tu. Sebab apa ni? Kalau lead to nitrate, we assume that that is the solid. Okay, without writing the solution, because we assume that we use the lead to nitrate solid. Okay, if you write this one, okay, lead to nitrate without writing the solution, okay, there is no mark given. Okay, lead to nitrate solution. That's right. Another one is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid solution. Okay. Okay, the products is lead to chloride, and the other one is nitric acid solution. Okay. Okay. Lead to nitrate plus hydrochloric. Apa lah kecil ni? Hydrochloric. Okay. Lead to chloride, PbL2 kan. So ini dalam keadaan solid. plus HNO. Okay, macam ni. Kan? Kita tengok. Ni. Pula tu. Ni. Okey, dia tukar-tukar ion je sebenarnya kan. Tapi kita kena pasti kena pasti boleh ke tidak dia nak mana tu. Okey. Ini the solution. Akhirnya di electrochloride. Ni solution kan. Okey. Ini pun solution. Untuk awak wajib tulis ni kena tulis ni aqueous solution kena tulis. Ni lead to nitrate solution react with hydrochloric solution, hydrochloric acid to produce lead to chloride precipitate and nitric acid solution. This one, okay. So nanti we can take out the lead to chloride precipitate by using the filtration method. Okay, the ionic equation is between the lead to ion, okay, and
Chloride ion.
chloride ion. Right, Dia kena tulis juga dia punya macam ni. Okay. And okay, sorry. Macam ni This is ionic equation. This is chemical balanced chemical equation. Okay, yang kat sini. Chemical equation. Faham Alright. Okay, we do the another example. This one. Calcium carbonate. So the ion, what are the example of the solution or the reactants will be used in the reaction? Okay. Yang lain cuba jawab. Arif Adli.
Cikgu.
Okay. Try answer that question. What are the solution for prepare the calcium carbonate? One solution should be contains calcium ion and the other one carbonate ion. But the reactant should be in the soluble or in the solution. Solution state. Okay. Pergilah contoh apa lama tu. Boleh? Apa larutan yang ada ion kalsium? Apa-apa sajalah.
Kalsium.
Kalsium? Tak dengar. Jangan cepat sangat. Calcium
Oxide.
Calcium oxide Okay, jadi calcium oxide. Okay. Okey. Kita tengok tu Lagi satu.
sodium carbonate,
Sodium carbonate. Okey. Okey, macam ni. Apa agaknya hasil kat sini? Kalsium karbonat dengan apa? Ini kita cuba je Ini mungkin betul, mungkin tak betul. Kita tengok ni. We will discuss.
sodium
Sodium oxide. Okey. Okey, macam ni. Okay, we look at the formula of preparing the solution, the insoluble salt. Okay, the two solutions must in the two reactants. The two reactants must in a solution or in aqueous state. Okay, in aqueous solution. The calcium oxide. Calcium oxide exists as a solid at room temperature. Okay, calcium oxide. There is no calcium oxide solution. Okay, so calcium oxide cannot be used as the reactants. Okay, so you get the wrong answer for the solution ini. Okay, give another. Okay, yang lain calcium apa?
Hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide solution. Calcium hydroxide solution ni, is it soluble or not? Okay, the class calcium hydroxide. Is it soluble or not?
Soluble.
Yes.
Yes, calcium hydroxide is lime water. We use to verify the presence of carbon dioxide gas in our lab. So calcium hydroxide solution is soluble. We can get it in a solution in aqueous state, right? Okay, you can use calcium hydroxide. Okay, betul ni. And sodium carbonate boleh kita gunakan tak? Larutan tak? Kita boleh jumpa dalam keadaan larutan tak? Maksudnya ni garam larut ke tak larut?
Boleh.
Boleh Okay, very good. Okay, sodium carbonate is the solution because sodium carbonate is a adsorbed salts. Okay, all the adsorbed salts are soluble. Okay, so we can make it solution. Okay, sodium carbonate solution react with calcium hydroxide to form calcium carbonate, and the other one is sodium
Hydroxide.
hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide solution. Alright, okay, macam tu. Okay, tapi lebih elok kita jangan guna calcium hydroxide walaupun dia larut, sebab calcium hydroxide ni ada kadang-kadang any alkali can absorb the carbon dioxide from our atmosphere. Okay, calcium hydroxide, all of the alkali. Basically, all the alkali can absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So carbon dioxide can react with calcium hydroxide to form calcium carbonate also. Okay, jadi kita kalau boleh elakkan calcium hydroxide ini. Kita boleh yang lain-lain kita boleh guna. Okay, selain daripada calcium hydroxide ini, apa yang ada dalam kalsium, banyak lagi larutan kan. Selain daripadanya, apa contoh lain?
Calcium nitrate.
Calcium nitrate, yes. Other than calcium nitrate?
Calcium chloride boleh ke teacher?
Yes, calcium chloride solution. That's good, right? So calcium chloride solution or calcium nitrate solution can be used to react with the sodium carbonate solution to form calcium carbonate and the other one solution. Macam tu, faham? Yang ini hydroxide ni kalau boleh jangan gunakan. Kita tahu carbon dioxide ni sebab calcium hydroxide ni sebab alkali. Kalau boleh yang bersifat alkali ataupun mungkin yang asid juga, dia sangat mudah, very easy to react with other substances. Because alkali, okay, in the aqueous solution or acid aqueous solution, when it is meet with the partner, okay, maybe the metal oxide or any reactant that can react with alkali and acid, okay, from the will produce the another products, okay. Jadi yang kita nak dekat sini cuma hasil ni sahajalah, hasil-hasil yang kat sini saja. Okay, kalau boleh elakkan guna alkali ataupun asid mungkin kalau kat sini, asid karbonat ke kan, boleh kita guna asid karbonat, carbonic acid saja, carbonic acid boleh kita kat sini. Faham sodium carbonate sesuai, potassium carbonate also. Kalau boleh, we just use the salt solution. Okay. So salt ni dia dah neutral, dia nak balas dengan lain-lain lagi. Okay, very good. Okay, the ionic equation, terus pada ionic equation ni lah. Ionic equation is between what ions?
Calcium
Yes, calcium ion. Okay.
and carbonate.
And carbonate ion, yes. Okay. Awak dia dah memastikan, dia wajibkan menulis macam ni. Okay. Wajib awak tulis aqueous semua. Okay, another one. Tadi carbonate CO C okay. Okay. CaC. Okay, ni. So, macam ni. Okay, this is ionic equation. Then chemical equation tu awak boleh tulislah sendiri kat sini. Penting seimbang kat situ. Okay, cubalah lagi satu ni. Silver chloride. Okay, silver chloride. Okay, Atira, boleh cuba ni soalan ni. So, what are the reactants should be used to prepare or to produce the silver chloride salts? Okay, kat sini. Ada Atira ni? Okay. Okay. Cuba.
Kalau silver nitrate boleh cikgu?
Yes, silver nitrate. Okay, very good. And the other one? Silver nitrate saja, janganlah silver nitrate solution mesti perkataan kena ada. Silver nitrate solution and the other one?
Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride. Yes, sodium chloride apa?
Solution.
Solution mesti macam ni. So kena ada macam tu. So, solution. Okay. The products or the insoluble salts produced is the silver chloride and the other salt solution is sodium
Sodium nitrate.
Sodium nitrate solution. Alright, very good. So the ionic equation from the reaction is between what?
Silver and chloride.
Silver ion.
Ion and chloride ion.
Yes, silver ion and chloride ion. Eh? Okay. Silver ion and chloride ion. Ini tak mahir ni, naik-naik ni tak suka. Nak buat macam mana? Pedes lah. Doi. Okay. Silver chloride. Okay. Ini pula. Alright. Okay. Silver ion and chloride ion react together to form a silver chloride solid. Right? So sini silver and so this is sodium nitrate kat sini. Okay, very good. This is a precipitation reaction to produce the insoluble salts, that is silver chloride. Okay, lagi cuba tengok yang ini. Ini. Ni hasilnya apa ni? Sodium
Lead to
chloride.
chloride.
Yes, lead to chloride and
Sodium nitrate.
sodium nitrate. That's very good. Okay, cuba tengok yang ini. Mungkin tengok tidak balas ni boleh ke tak boleh berlaku. Kalau boleh, apa hasilnya? The first one, sodium chloride and lead to oxide. Okay,
Tak boleh.
Sebenarnya tak boleh. Okay, betul. Tak boleh tidak balas ni. Sebenarnya tak boleh berlaku. Because the lead, because apa?
Lead oxide insoluble.
Insoluble.
Yes, lead to oxide is insoluble, or you can only find lead to oxide in solid state. Okay, there is no lead to oxide solution. Okay, exist. Okay, tak boleh berlaku. Diluted sulfuric acid and calcium nitrate solution. Okey, ini tindak balas ni boleh tidak. Okey. Yang lain Aisyah boleh tak tu? Tindak balas tadi apa? Aisyah apa tadi ya? Aisyah mana tadi nama? Aisyah Humairah kan? Boleh tak tadi tindak balas ni yang kedua ni? Kalau boleh, apa hasilnya? Terbentuk tak satu galam tak larut?
Yes.
Okey Aisyah. Kita cuba tukar-tukarkan ion dia kan? Kalau terbentuk garam tu, mungkin garam tu larut ke tak larut? Insoluble or not? Okay. Diluted sulfuric acid consists of sulfate ion. Calcium nitrate solution consists of calcium ion. So between that ion, is that insoluble salt will be produced. Okay. Boleh? Kenapa? Cuba. Apa dulu bahan-bahan yang mungkin terbentuk dulu? Cuba dulu. Apa dulu bahan-bahan yang mungkin terbentuk? Kalau kita tak tulis formula dia, macam tak nampak dia punya ion-ion dia. Kalau nak tengok senang, tulis sendiri kan. Sulfuric acid formula dan senantiasa pun jadi tukar-tukar ion, mungkin tak akan terbentuk ni garam tak larut. Okey, kat sini katanya ada apa? Ya. Okey, yang lain yang boleh bantu? Okey, Afzan, ada bentuk tak garam yang tak larut?
Saya tak tahu boleh ke tak, tapi kalau dia bergabung pun akan jadi kalsium sulfate.
Okey, kalsium aduh. Tak adalah, hantarlah tu soalan ya. Okay, kalsium sulfate
Lepas tu acid.
calcium sulfate and nitric acid. Okay. Calcium sulfate ni, is it insoluble or soluble salt?
Insoluble.
Insoluble.
Yes, calcium sulfate is insoluble salt. So we can find that this reaction can be used to prepare the calcium sulfate precipitate. Right? This is the reaction. Yes, this is a correct reaction. Okay. The dilute sulfuric acid and calcium nitrate solution are the reaction can be react together to form a calcium sulfate salt as a solid salt, and the other one is nitric acid. Okay, Afzan macam ni. Jadi kita kena pasti sebab itu kita kena pasti, kita kena tahu dan kita kena ingat juga garam larut ke apa dia, garam tak larut siapa formula dia tu ada formula Sefer tu kan, all the sulfate salts are soluble except PCB tu. Alright, the other one, zinc chloride solution and copper 2 sulfate solution. This reaction can produce the insoluble salt.
Tak ada.
Tak boleh ke?
Tak boleh. Kalau kita nak tukar-tukarkan, katalah kita nak agak-agakkan tukar-tukarkan, apa agaknya yang bahan-bahan yang terbentuk?
Copper chloride dengan zinc sulfate.
Copper 2 chloride and zinc sulfate. Okay, sulfate. Sebenarnya dia tak terbentuk. Dia terbentuk bila ion ni solution and freely moving ion in one beaker. Another one beaker contains of freely moving of copper 2 ion and sulfate ion. Okay, this zinc ion and chloride ion and copper 2 ion, sulfate ion. Okay, if we put together in one beaker, so there is no precipitate will be formed. Okay, because there is no insoluble salts will be produced from the mixture. Okay, so masing-masing dalam keadaan ion-ion bebas dia tak tercantum tadi macam tadi kan. Kalau macam tadi tu kita tengok macam barium ni, macam ni kan. Ni ada ion-ion bebas, barium chloride dengan sulfate ni masih dalam bebas. Tapi bila dah jadi ni dia tak bebas lagi, dia bercantum terus. Yang ni dalam keadaan bebas. Jadi berbentuk dunia garam barium sulfate. Okey, kalau yang tadi macam tu juga kalau kita cantumkan semua ni kan, ni semua ion-ion bebas saja. Kita guna bebas, dia tak boleh terbentuk. Tak ada terbentuk garam insoluble salt kat situ. Okay, faham So ini ni tak boleh. Okay, tak boleh nak kita hasilkan. Okay, tak terbentuk pun garam. Garam apa yang tak larut. Okay, ini dia punya prosedur eksperimen dalam makmal. Okay, if you want to prepare the insoluble salt, these steps very simple. Just we put together the two solutions. For example, here to prepare the barium sulfate, okay, between barium chloride solution and sodium sulfate solution, okay, in one beaker. Okay, just stir it thoroughly, and then we'll get the precipitate of barium sulfate here. Just filter the solution to get barium sulfate precipitate, the barium sulfate salt. Okay, and then we dry between the two filter papers. Okay, by pressing the two filter papers. Itu sahaja kan? Senang saja yang ini. Untuk penyediaan ni. Jadi yang mesti kita ingat dalam ini, apa pun secara kesimpulan dia, in preparing the salt, we have to know the solubility of the salts. Okay, jadi sifir tu kena ingatlah, sifir kita larutkan garam tu. So for example, to prepare the zinc nitrate, we know that zinc nitrate is the soluble salt. So the salt, kita gunakan kaedah yang ini. Okay, tindak balas macam ni. Okay. Kalau diberi sodium sulfate, kita tahu this is an adsorbed salt. We just can use only the titration method using the titration method between the alkali and acid solution only. Okay. Jadi kita kena tahulah untuk menyediakan garam itu, pertama perlarutan garam, yang kedua jenis dia, sama ada adsorbed salt atau other adsorbed salt. Okay. Itulah itu dan yang ketiga insoluble salt. Okay, itu sahaja untuk hari ini sebenarnya. Ada apa-apa nak tanya? Okey, cuba kita tengok dalam cuba awak buat awak buat soalan muka surat 152. 152 tu ada soalan nombor 2. Okay, the diagram below, semua tengok buku tengok modul tu. The diagram below shows the flow chart for the preparation of zinc carbonate and zinc sulfate to reaction 1 and 2. Right? Okay, we have to study the reaction to answer all of the questions. Okay. So based on the flow chart above, classify the above salts to the soluble and insoluble salts. So which one is insoluble and soluble salt? Okay, senang aja tu Fatin, Alisha, can you classify which one is the soluble and insoluble?
Soalan A yang cikgu.
Yes.
Zinc nitrate soluble,
Right.
zinc carbonate insoluble,
Okay.
zinc sulfate soluble.
Yes, very good. Okay, that is the answer. All right. B1 state the reaction for the preparation of zinc carbonate from zinc nitrate. Okay. To prepare or to produce the zinc carbonate from the reaction 1. Okay. So what are the reactants can be used? So start from the zinc nitrate. Zinc nitrate plus what? Put it okay. Hazim. Zinc nitrate react with what to produce zinc carbonate? Ada Hazim sini?
Ada cikgu.
Zinc nitrate bertindak bala dengan apa yang sesuai?
Sodium carbonate.
Yes, sodium carbonate. Betul apa sajalah yang ada carbonate kan? Okey. Sodium carbonate saja ke jawapan awak tu?
Boleh buat 3. Sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate dengan aluminium carbonate.
Yes. Okey, tapi jawapan tu masih tak lengkap lagi. Bahan itu kalau dia tulis dalam bentuk perkataan jawapan awak tu tak ada lengkap. Apa perkataan yang pertama tu?
Solution.
Yes, solution. Okay. Zinc nitrate react with zinc nitrate solution react with sodium carbonate solution or potassium carbonate solution. Okay. Itu mesti kena ada. So zinc nitrate solution react with sodium carbonate solution. Okay. 2. State the type of the reaction that occurs in reaction 1. The reaction in reaction 1. Okay, apa dia tu tadi? Kita dah belajar Nur Husna. Apa dia Nur Husna? The type of the reaction take place in the reaction 1. Ada ke Nur Husna ni? Okay, Muhammad Ikhwan.
Jadi apa?
Apa je? Cuba jawab.
Double decomposition reaction.
Double decomposition cikgu tak pernah cakap pun jawab soalan tu.
Precipitation reaction.
Precipitation reaction. Double decomposition. Double decomposition reaction itu the old term we do not use this anymore because there are maybe a little bit confusion with the other one. Okay, jadi kita cuma guna precipitation reaction. Okay, dalam buku teks pun tak berasa ada ke tak pasti tak
Ada
tak
juga.
ada
Ha.
ada juga, ada gunakan semula okay, tak apalah kalau ada. So precipitation reaction or decomposition reaction. Okay, macam tu. Okay, sebenarnya dulu tak digunakan lagi. Okay, SSM ni pakai lagi pula. Okay, thank you. Do you realize that word? Okay, okay, Juan. Decomposition reaction, double decomposition reaction or precipitation reaction. Okay, macam tu lah dicontoh. Alright. Describe the preparation of zinc carbonate from zinc nitrate. Okay, ni panjang sikit kat situ. Kita boleh semak lah di dalam kita punya buku teks. Okay, cara nak buat tu semua tu uraikan. Lebih kurang maybe 4 marks will be given for that question. Okay, tengok soalan nombor C1. State the reactants for the preparation of zinc sulfate.
Sulfuric acid.
From zinc carbonate. From zinc state the reactant for the preparation of zinc sulfate from zinc carbonate. From the sulfuric acid. Yes, very good. Sulfuric acid react with zinc carbonate to form zinc sulfate. Yes, okay, that's right. Tadi soalan B nombor 4 lupa. B yang keempat. Write the chemical equation for the reaction in B3. B3 ni zinc nitrate zinc to form zinc carbonate. So zinc nitrate plus sodium carbonate kan, to form zinc carbonate and sodium nitrate. Okay. Okay. Itu saja untuk hari ini. Daripada buku teks tu ada latihan, ada benda yang telah dibuang lah ada latihan tu, sayang. Okey, tak apalah, latihan ni banyak, nanti cikgu akan bagi pada hari insyaAllah esok akan bagi latihan pertahanan. So awak lengkapkan dulu latihan-latihan yang ada kat sini ni, surat 152 tadi tu, dan insyaAllah cikgu akan bagi latihan. Okey, itu saja. Kalau tak ada apa-apa, kita tangguhkan dulu kita di kelas ini. Okay. Tasbih kafarah dan walas. Jangan lupa nanti kehadiran ni. Subhanallah wa